Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video we are unboxing and taking a look at the Moonspell box. This is the second one that we are taking a look at, and this is January's box, and as of filming we are in February. So thank you so much for Moonspell box for sending us another box to take a look at and try. I'm so excited because I really did enjoy the first one that we did. So what is Moonspell box? It is the box that gives you everything you need to cast the spell of the month. So it is not a subscription. You are paying one time for one box, and it retails for $14.99 for the current month. And since this is January's, this would be $19.99 currently. Again, free shipping and everything you need in this box. So with that being said, let's get into it. Every month is a different spell. What is January's? Ooh, look at this. Ooh, we have a protection spell. All right. So everything we need is in this box to perform the spell. So combining your energy and intentions with the cleansing and protective energy of salt and herbs to create a safe and protected home space. Intentions to provide a safe and protected space for all living beings in your home. And then we have the ingredient list, which is sea salt, bay leaf, rosemary, and a dish. And then it goes into the ritual with an incantation, which we will perform. I'm so excited. Okay. Ooh. Here's the dish. Ooh, it's compostable. Nice. Okay. Look at this, the evil eye. Cute. 2 little bracelets. Are you kidding? Oh, I love it. The evil eye has a symbol of an eye worked upon it regarding as a potent amulet for protection against evil forces in almost every culture of the world. The evil eye deflects the negative energy directed toward the person onto itself. It stares back at the world to protect its owner from negativity and harm. Wear it to keep your life balanced and bring good luck to you. Oh, that's exciting. And then here is the salt and the herbs in the cute little bag. Oh my gosh. Look at the cute little bottles. I can't get over that. Salt, bay leaf, focus. And what's great is you can totally reuse these little bottles as well once you're done. Ah, cute. All right, I'm going to clean this up and we'll get started. Okay, so this is literally all we need because the ritual is fairly straightforward here. So begin by calling upon your ancestors, angels, spirit guides, or anyone else who helps you align with your highest good. We're going to make a magical salt. So again, everyone's practice is different. I just want to clarify, if you need to add like opening up and casting a circle to your ritual and closing it, you can do so. This is something that you can add to. Do what makes it feel right and comfortable for you in your practice. Everyone practices differently. So you can call upon that. So I call upon my spirit guides to help me within my highest good. All right. Combine all 3 ingredients in the dish provided. As you combine the ingredients in a bowl for your protective salt, be sure your protection intentions are clear. So we're going to add the salt. Okay. And then we are going to add the bay leaf. And the rosemary. Okay. When all of the ingredients are combined, hold your hands over the mixture and repeat the protection incantation either out loud or in your mind. You may also wish to be more specific during this process. If it's a certain person, spirit, or energy that you wish to keep out of your home, feel free to incorporate their name or any specific details into this process. All right, so incantation says, "Please shield and protect my home and all of the living beings within it so that those who enter our home only come for our highest good and greatest benefit." I'm going to say it twice more. So please shield and protect my home and all of the living beings within it so that those who enter our home only come for our highest good and our greatest benefit. Please shield and protect my home and all of the living beings within it so that those who enter our home only come for our highest good and greatest benefit. All right, so then we will sprinkle this salt and herb mixture on all windows and doorways to protect our home. And if you have metal windows or doorways that may rust, you can always place multiple bowls in the corners of your home. Allow the magic salt mixture to remain in the areas as you place them in for at least 24 hours and then repeat as necessary. So this is fantastic. So what I would probably do is the little sachets or pouches, like for instance, what it came in, as long as it can't come through the mesh, I would probably pour it in here and hang it above the door or window. You can sprinkle it like it says on the sill or the door frame, but you know, your practice is your practice, so do as you will with that. But this is fantastic. And what I love the most about this box is that it is a great introduction. So if you are learning, if you are beginning any kind of practice in witchcraft, this gives you everything you need at the moment. So you're not outsourcing your own materials. So you're getting what you need for the specific spell. You can keep this pamphlet and then you can go out and get the materials as you need later on. But what I love about this is it's right up front. You have everything you need at your fingertips for that particular spell. So if you're learning, if you're new, if you are wanting to access different spells that you haven't done before, you know exactly what you are going to be what spell you're going to be doing for that month. So you can pick and choose. So if you've never done a protection spell before, this is great. This is an introduction. This is something that you can use, and then you can incorporate it later down the road and redo it, because this is also very accessible ingredients as well. So with that being said, for $14.99 for the current month, that's a fantastic price. Free shipping as well. So I love this box. I think it's genius. I think it's fantastic for people who are on a budget, who want to start doing something but can't source all the materials at once. This would make a fantastic gift, a birthday gift, holiday gift, whatever it may be, for someone who you know is practicing or is interested or intrigued in it. So I am impressed. Thank you so much to Moonspell Box for sending this our way. I really do think that this is fantastic. Now I'm going to turn it over to you guys. Is this something that you are excited about? Is this something that you are interested in? What are your thoughts? Let me know. It's very accessible and easy, at least in my opinion. So thanks again for watching. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Thanks again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.